Hi guys, Dennis from Canoehound Adventures here. For the next 4 days, me along with Dave from Beastly Ironworks and my father Jack will be up here on a northern remote lake, and we're going to be doing some boat camping. Essentially, what is boat camping, you ask? Well, we actually put our boat into a piece of northern Crownland on a lake, and we find ourselves a nice campsite. And we spend a few days there, do a little bit of fishing and a little bit of swimming and a little bit of carrying on. And we're just going to have a good time here for the next 4 days. So if you can see behind me, I'm not sure if you can, but down there you'll see my boat in the water. We've just found a campsite that we're occupying, and we'll just take a quick little look around here. There's my dad Jack in the background, and should be able to maybe see Dave from Beastly Ironworks back there. So hope you enjoy this video. We're going to have a good time. Hopefully you'll enjoy the time too. How you doing?
Not bad.
Say hi for the YouTube world.
Hello.
Just take a little look around the camp here. Dad's already got his tent set up back here. He's working away on it. And over here, sorry about the wind, it's a little breezy out here. We got Dave from Beastly Ironworks. If you haven't tuned into his channel yet, go on there and feel free to check out his videos. And of course we got Mollie here. She's guarding the shack. So I won't go on record as to say what lake this is right now. I may reveal later. It is a pretty popular lake in the northern Ontario region near Temagami, and we'll just leave it at that. But here's our view from our campsite. We're pretty elevated, and down below is my boat. And we're going to be out in that thing a little later on doing a little fishing, so hopefully we catch you guys something. There we go, we got the hammock all set up. For those of you that ever thought about setting up a hammock and sleeping in it, very, very comfortable. And once you try a hammock for sleeping in and you get used to it, you will never go back to a ground tent and having sticks in your back and rocks and cricks in your back and sore hips. You will sleep like a king. So this is the Hennessey Explorer hammock, and it is set up right now without the rain fly. I'm going to set up the rain fly in a bit, but right now currently inside I've got my air mattress is just re-inflating. You see the air mattress in there, and that's going to re-inflate, and then I'll throw my sleeping bag in. Mattress is all inflated, and I have set up the tarp, and I've done a bit of a veranda setup. And if the weather gets a little unruly, or I could always drop one of the poles here, and that would bring the tarp down a little more towards the ground if it needs rain runoff or something like that. So here we are, guys and gals. We're out finally fishing. We got the first walleye in the live well, which is a good thing, good sign. And let's hope that we can continue to catch some more. We're fishing in a nice bay. The bay here is about 5 feet deep, and it's fairly weedy. And the boys here are now trying to get set up there with a nice emerald shiner jig, and to see if we can nail some more of these bad boys. So here we are. We got Captain Jack piloting the boat right now. We're just trolling down through the bay. We got a little bit of signs of a thunderstorm coming in, so we're just trolling on down. We got Dave sitting at the back of the boat in the safest spot in the world, sitting beside the 90 horsepower blender, and yeah, see if we can't get something else. We got the one walleye so far, but we're looking to pick up a few more fish, so let's hope we can do that. So what do you do after a thunderstorm and it's hot, humid, and hazy? You go for a swim. Yeah. This is like a little girl in action right here. This is what you call Beastly Ironworks, afraid to hit the water.
Oh, dude.
Come on, man, just do it.
Yeah, that's it.
It's only cold for the first 12 seconds.
12 seconds?
Okay, 8.5. Let's see what you told you it's nice.
Okay, it's nice.
Yeah, we'll have to do a diaper swim tomorrow.
What the hell is the diaper swim?
You take your life jacket, you put it on upside down like a diaper, and then you sit out here with a beer, and you just float. And you float and you drink. And it holds you up perfectly. It looks ridiculous, but I'll tell you, man, it makes swimming so easy.
Shall I go get beers? You get the life jackets?
Hey, do a tour.
All right.
All right, so Dave has asked me what a diaper swim is. So for those of you that don't know what a diaper swim is, you take your life jacket, your PFD, and you open it up and you step into the armholes. All right? Then you do it up, whether it's a zipper or a clip. You do that baby up so it's on you nice and snug. And now you're ready for a Canoehound Adventures diaper swim.
I gotta grab this camera, dude.
Okay. So this is where you grab your beverage of choice, and off you go. Hiya, Mollie. Mollie knows what a diaper swim is all about. And now you spend the next 15 minutes, or as long as it takes you to drink your beer, effortlessly floating around. Cheers to everybody from the Great White North. So what do you think, David?
This is amazing, dude.
Little toast to our friends. We got Mason and Dan and Tanner and
Jim, Big Jim.
oh yeah, Big Jim for sure. And what about Tyler? We got Tyler in there too.
Yep. And we got
John.
Drop It Like It's Scott.
Like a Scott, yeah.
We got Chasing Guns.
Oh,
we
yeah.
got
Camel Cowboy.
Camel Cowboy, yeah.
Yeah, a few shout outs to our good friends out there. Hope you guys are enjoying the video here. Oh, and I can't forget my new good YouTube buddies there, the Paddling Pirates.
Oh yeah,
The guys from Kid Products there.
Yeah.
Here's that, Joel.
Sorry if we missed anybody.
Watch to the end of the video. There might be a surprise at the end. Think that'll work?
You're not going to do a fountain, are you?
And just a little shot of our camp from the water.
An amazing campsite. Awesome.
Let's see if I can keep turning here to get a nice round shot of the bay. Unbelievable, it was thunderstorming like 15 minutes ago. So we just got another blast of a storm here, and it almost put our fire out, but we recovered it there. Now we're going to get ready to cook up some dinner. Just going to get some hot coals going. I think we're going to have hamburgers tonight.
Whoa, yeah. I'm not too handy right now, that was it.
All right, guys, so we had a pretty good day given all the storms and everything that we've had. We've had a few thunder bangers, and right now it's still raining now. We were kind of delegated to the kitchen shelter here that we've got going. But it was pretty good. Mother Nature gave us a chance to get our burgers cooked, as you've seen previously. And yeah, it's about that time that we're going to be turning in. So I'm going to sign off for tonight, and we'll catch you bright and early in the morning.
See you guys.
Well, good morning, everybody. It's day 2, and at last the rain has stopped, We did get a lot of rain last night, but the mosquitoes are pretty bad this morning. So just gonna get ready to get the kid stoves out and get some coffee perking and get the day started. How you doing? Mollie's asking for breakfast. Yes, ask for breakfast.
So we got Dennis here from Canoehound Adventures. Picked himself up a nice whopper. Go Dennis, go. Get him. Get him. There we go. There's good eating there, ladies and gents. Nice. That's a good time.
Alright, Davey's got a nice walleye here. Bring it to me, buddy. Here. Get her scooped up. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, beauty. There you go, brother. Nice fish. There we go. So Beastly Ironworks is on the board with the biggest walleye thus far. We'll get him holding that in a second. There we go. He's having trouble holding the walleye. He tried to lip it, but they got teeth. It's all right, buddy. Put him in the wall.
This is why I'm a bladesmith, not a fisherman.
And something tells me you just suck at fishing. So this is my dad, Jack, and what are you about to enjoy here, Dad?
Nice fish with bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon.
Bacon, bacon, bacon. Yeah. You enjoy.
I will. Oh my, look at that.
Hold on, let me get a close-up of that.
Look at that. Excellent.
Mollie's got the tongue on. You make it look good, Mollie.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's good time.
So Dave and I just got back from another bout of fishing there. Got a few bass there. Hey, buddy.
Good times.
And while we were gone, my dad got the fire stoked up and it's looking very nice. So I'm probably not going to do too much more recording tonight. We're just going to sit back, have a coffee, maybe a beer, and just enjoy the beautiful fire.
Or several.
Or several, as Dave says.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're just going to call it a night. So that's day 2 is a wrap. And
Yep.
it was a good day, Pops.
Beautiful.
Yep. So let's...
Food was great. Everything was great.
For sure. Let's enjoy the fire.
Yeah.
Well, here we are, morning of day 3. Very nice morning, nice and peaceful. As you can see, the lake is very calm. Last night, very clear. You could see like a billion stars. It was just so so clear. Yeah. But with that come cool weather, very cool temperatures compared to the night before, where we had the night before was like really really hot and humid. And last night I actually was pulling the blanket on, so. But it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day today, and that's exactly what we want. We're going to get out there and do some more fishing today and a little bit of sightseeing, and we'll see what else we can find here on this beautiful northern lake. So for breakfast today, I thought I would prepare a breakfast skillet. You see, I've already cooked up the sausages in the previous scenes, and chopped up some yellow pepper and some Hungry Jack hash browns. And then we're going to top that over with some eggs and scramble it all up, and it's going to be a beautiful breakfast here for the guys when they get up. Breakfast. What do you guys think of the breakfast skillet here?
Yeah.
Right.
It's all right?
Yeah.
Good stuff.
All right. Huh. 5-star winnings here, buddy.
Molly, what did you think of that? Hey? Got me a nice...
Oh, what do you got there, Dennis?
A nice small. Oh, she's a
Oh.
nice smallie. That's a nice smallie.
Oh my.
And she ain't ready to come up yet. Woohoo!
Molly, of course, is investigating, and
Yeah, let's get the net. Oh, that's a nice.
oh my. And Dennis with the largest smallmouth bass.
Can I extend this net? I think I got him hooked well. I'm only going to release him anyway, so.
I'm gonna put the camera down. Hold on.
Come on, buddy. Hold on. I got my scale too. I want to weigh them. I'm gonna put them in a live well until I weigh them. I want to pick you up by the other side. I don't want to hook my finger.
You turned over.
Bingo!
Oh, there we go. It scares off all the other fish.
Look at that.
Oh, nice.
Nice perch. Okay, David.
Yeah.
You're not
Oh,
paying attention, buddy.
sorry, man. I was getting daddy-o there.
Here we go. So this is a northern Crownland Lake smallmouth bass.
Wow.
Look at that, eh?
That is a nice one.
Today's your lucky day, buddy. I might go in with him.
At least I got the camera rolling.
Here you go, buddy. Nice. Nice.
Good job, brother.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
look
nice
at
pike.
that.
Nice pike.
He swallowed her.
Nice pike. I guess I should get the net.
Yeah. No. There you go. Oh, you son of a gun.
Yeah, well, next time you don't do that with a pike. So after all the years of coming to this same spot, Molly has finally discovered minnows and that she could chase them in the water. So right now she's minnow hunting.
Oh, cool water made me want to fish.
Hey guys, David from Beastly Ironworks here. I decided to take Dennis's camera and do some filming for him while he's doing his diaper dive with a new IPA. And we're just watching Mollie do her minnow fishing there, having a good time. What's it like, Dennis? Good times or what?
Life doesn't get any better than this, man.
All right, dude. Yeah, I'll be in a minute.
Remember that, people. I'm keeping the adventure alive.
Oh yes. Yeah, he showed me this diaper thing yesterday. It's where you put your life jacket on over your legs and you do it up in the front. And I thought, yeah, there's no way that I'm gonna be caught dead like that. And I tried it and I thought, wow, this is a good time.
Nice and tight. They're getting it on. Boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom. Oh, oh, oh. Boom, chicka boom, chicka boom.
Hats and boots and 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 hats and boots. Oh my god, man, that is
okay,
hilarious.
about 10 seconds of silence. Hold on, guys. Hey, so we got this dragonfly here. Whoop. He's quick, and we've actually you can see him actually picking mosquitoes out of the air. Oh, he's gonna fly away, but it was cool. Dave had some mosquitoes flying around his legs, and the mosquito was right in there, and he was picking stuff off. So
Yeah, it was
he's
cool.
trying to keep us mosquito free over here, so we can enjoy our dinner.
That's a good boy.
Yep.
So,
So here we are. It's our last night, guys.
That sucks.
And being our last night, it's officially going to be steak night. So we got some really nice rib steaks here on the grill, cooking with a bit of hardwood in there, and we've got corn on the cob. You can see on the outside of the fire pit, which we've grilled on the grill, and then we got sweet potatoes inside in tinfoil, and that'll all be coming out shortly and being served. The steaks are nearing their perfection. Yeah, for sure.
Perfect.
And yeah, it's going to be a good last meal for up here for a good trip with some good dudes.
Yeah.
Dennis, this is some steak, well.
So what do you think, boys?
This is excellent.
Yep.
Mm.
Oh, Miss Mollie.
Always good, a nice steak over the fire for sure, right?
Uh-huh.
And the corn on the cob, sweet potatoes.
This is the first. Just watching a dog eat corn on the cob. This is like awesome. Buddy, she does a better job at it than you do.
I know, right?
That's insane.
Mollie loves her corn. And she only eats the corn, eh? She leaves the cob.
That's awesome.
Oh, squirted, Daddy.
Hey Dennis, what in the world are you making there?
Oh, another boat camping specialty. We've got it's like a panini. It's a grilled cheese. We usually do these over the fire on a grill, but today, just for quickness sake, because we're heading out, we've got to get packed up. I'm doing it on the cast iron skillet, but it's cheese bread that we get from Sobeys. So it's got cheese all through it. Then we do it like a grilled cheese. We butter the sides. We layer it with cheese, a couple slices of cheese, a couple slices of ham, a couple slices of turkey, salami if you want, whatever you want in there. And grill it on both sides, and you got yourself an instant breakfast or lunch or dinner. It's good for any meal pretty much. And then we cooked up some extra sausages on the side just to complete the meal. So
That's a good time.
yummy, yummy, yummy.
And it is yummy, yummy, yummy. Mine's half gone already. Sorry, I didn't wait. Hold on, Dad, I got it.
Yeah, it's your ass. Come here, Molly. All right, guys. So all in all, you can see behind us, we got the boat and the truck all loaded up and ready to go. We had a good 4 days. Good adventure. We caught a lot of fish.
Yeah.
Ate some good food.
Oh yeah. A lot of good food.
Drank some good IPA session ales. This is empty. It's a prop. Okay, I'm a responsible drinker and driver. And yeah, so all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We hope to see you on the next one. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell notification so that you can be alerted to my next video. So remember, people, keep the adventures alive.
Yeah.
What he said.
Yeah.
All right.
Take care.